Hello and welcome to Gardening Unraveled. My name is Christina, and today I am starting my tomato seeds. I'm starting 11 varieties of tomatoes, and I'm also growing 3 new varieties this year. I'm in zone 5B, and my last frost date is April 27th. I have a very small backyard, and I'm growing tomatoes in grow bags and raised garden beds. I love all tomatoes, but if I had to choose one, I would choose the yellow pear tomato. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite variety of tomato is. All right, let's jump right in. I have my tray, my cell packs that I'm reusing from previous years when I bought flowers. I love these cell packs because they are larger than your regular seed starting cells. The 3 new varieties that I'm growing this year is the San Marzano. They're great for making tomato sauce and are heavy producers until frost. Next is Aunt Molly's ground cherry. I've read that they taste like a cross between a tomatillo and pineapple. I can't wait to try that. Next is the purple bumblebee cherry variety. So next are the varieties that I have grown successfully in grow bags and raised beds. This is the Amish paste. It's good for making tomato sauce. Next is the Japanese black trifle. It's shaped like a pear and very flavorful. Next is Matt's wild cherry. They're bountiful and produce all season long. I freeze them whole and use them for omelets in winter months. Green zebra tomatoes are really cool looking tomatoes. They have a lemony taste to them and I just love growing them. Next is the black Krim, very juicy tomato and a really good producer. Rutgers are amazing. This is actually the first tomato variety that I grew a long time ago. And then I stopped for a while because I wanted to try other varieties. This is an orb weaver spider. I remember I sent my husband to collect the tomatoes at that point. By the way, give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying learning about these tomato varieties, and stay until the end because I will reveal 3 good and bad tomato companion plants. Next is the yellow pear tomato, my favorite. They just brighten up my day when I see them. I freeze them whole to use them in winter months. Here is the Cherokee Purple. Is such a good producer. I was amazed how well they grew in 7-gallon grow bags. The skin cracked on this one because we had a drought and then a deluge. This year I have a few tricks up my sleeve to prevent tomato cracking. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. Alright, so what goes with tomatoes? Well, basil, of course. You have to grow basil. So I have all the plant labels prepared and ready to go. I'm using the ProMix all-purpose soil mix. It's derived from peat moss. It has the beneficial mycorrhizal fungi and perlite. I use this mix when I'm up-potting my seedlings, and I use it in my grow bags. The mix is already pre-moistened. I add a scoop of organic worm castings, and I mix that in. Next, I fill the cell packs with the mix and gently press it into the cell packs. Don't compact the soil, but make sure there are no large air pockets in the cells. To make things easier, I made myself a seed planting stick from a skewer, and I marked 1/4 of an inch, 1/2 inch, and 1 inch. The planting depth of a tomato seed is 1/4 of an inch. So I pre-make the holes and put 2 to 3 tomato seeds per cell. You can thin them out or separate them later. Fluff the soil with the skewer and gently press down. I never water in my seeds. I always pre-moisten and then I don't water until the top layer of the soil dries out. Always bottom water your seedlings and make sure that the top layer of soil remains dry. Aunt Molly's ground cherry is a little bit different. The seed planting depth is 1/8 of an inch. All you have to do is just sprinkle the seeds and then cover them with a thin layer of soil and then gently press it in. Basil is very easy to grow from seed indoors or outdoors. They're container friendly. Basil needs full sun, just like the tomato plants. The seed planting depth is 1/4 of an inch. You can put several seeds per cell in a pot later and grow 2 to 3 plants together in a 2-gallon container that is 8 to 10 inches wide. All right, so thank you for watching this video until the end. As I promised, here are the 3 good tomato companions, and they are basil, of course, garlic, and parsley. These companion plants improve the growth and taste of the tomatoes, and as a bonus, repel insects. The 3 bad companions that stunt the growth of the tomato plant are cabbage, broccoli, and fennel. I hope you learned something new today, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, my gardening friends.